Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss the C++. Here C++ is the object-oriented programming language. It was developed by the Barney Strostrup at AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories in USA in the year of 1980s. So who invented here? It was developed by, or else here it was invented by honest true stuff. Okay, so can highlight this one. In where means your at AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories. Bell Telephone Laboratories. So this AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories was located in USA. Where it can be located? Located in USA. So in the USA, exact place means here it is the New Jersey. So in the New Jersey, again it is the Murray Hill. Exact place means here Murray Hill. So it was invented by the Barney Strostrup in the AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories. It was located in the Murray Hill, New Jersey, USA. So just you can write it was located in the USA. So when he was invented the C++ in the year of 1980s, okay, laboratories at USA. In 1980s year we invented the our C++. 1980s year we invented the our C++. So actually this C++ was came from our C language. We have the C programmatic language, right? So by that year we invented the our C++. Means whatever we have the disadvantages by the C, by that year we introduced the another language that is a C++. In the 1972 we introduced the C language, and after few days, means after few years, your C++ was invented by the Barney Strostrup in the year of 1980s. So here we have the name like your C++, right? One C is for C language and another C is for classes. Why? Because in our object-oriented programming language, we have the classes in the objects type. Okay, so those classes we included in this. So here we have the two C's, right? We have the two C's. One C for C programming. One C for C programming. Another C for classes. That's what here we written the C++. Actually, first we didn't give name like this. We given the name like C with the classes. C with classes. We given the name like your C with the classes. In the 1983, we named the C with the classes with C++. We changed the C with the classes name like your C++ in the year of 1983. In the year of 1983, we changed that one. Okay, here our C++ language is the superset of C language. C++ is superset of C. Superset of C. How we can? So this is the C language. Suppose you can imagine this is the C language. So now this is the C++ language. Now this is the C++ language. So here we given the so many features to the C++. Compared to the C language here, C++ is having the more features. How means here we added our objective oriented programming language to this. What we have the new features into this? We have the new features into the C++. Those are the classes, inheritance, function overloading, and abstract data type. So I am writing the DT. And next here polymorphism, etc. So many things here we added the features to our C++ here. Compared to the C here, C++ is having a more advantages. And this C++ is extended by our C language. In the 1990, we added some more features to this. In the 1990 here, we added some more features and we changed our C++ language. In the 1990 here, we added so many features to this and we changed this one. In the 1997 here, our ANSI and the ISO people or again here means your ANSI and ISO committee standardize these changes and they can add in the new features to perform with our C++ language in our 1997. So here C++ is the objective oriented programming language. Compared to the C language, this is the best to perform with all the applications. Thank you.